Rosebud Company is back up in Grosse Pointe, Michigan. And here is the work site. It was built in 1929, took 3 years to build. It's the home of Edsel and Eleanor Ford. And arguably, it's one of the most beautiful homes I've ever been in. David, Jenna, and I will be starting today, Monday the 26th. And we got a whole 3 weeks worth of work in front of us, so stay tuned. Okay, we're in the dining room, and this is one of the rooms we will be starting in today. I'll pivot around. From the other side of that glass right there is Lake St. Clair, and you might be able to see it. Yeah. So the sun comes up right over that, and you get some beautiful sunrises here. So let me pivot around here. We got some very attractive paneling. And of course, they've removed all the artwork. So this will be one of the rooms that we start in at the very beginning. I'll walk over and take you to the other room. This is the morning room, and as you can see, it gets a lot of morning sunlight. They've got some plastic, that's for protection. I'm not sure exactly what, but anyway. They got beautiful paneling in here, and it's really well maintained. This is the detail on the ceiling. And of course, here's our work surface. White oak, quarter sawn, herringbone pattern. And I'll pivot around so you can see this is looking back towards the entrance hall right there, or service hall. Very, very attractive room. And here we are looking into another area we will be working on. This hallway here is called the cloister. And I'm just gonna start walking through here. By the way, this is the teak floor right here in the front part. That's the teak that we finished back in October. So all of this has the older finish on it, and I'll walk you through. And this is a test site that I did when we were here to make double sure that the product that I used would take off the old finish, and as you can see, it does. Pivot around. And you're walking toward the gallery. We'll go down here and look out onto this very, very attractive area off the gallery and the cloister. And last, here is the gallery. And this is the room that honestly will just take your breath away. I mean, it is one of the most attractive rooms I have ever been in. The woodwork around the fireplace here came from some manor house in England. You got very, very attractive stained glass. And pivot back around to the entrance. And here's the floor. It's random width, quarter sawn oak, white oak. And it has underneath a lot of wax. It has the original finish, and we'll be working to get that off and replace it with the hardening oil that we're very partial to, which is known as Magic Oil by Pullman.